Here's Horry to the middle. Aldridge with the bucket.
Back to the basket. Sometimes more facing up is Aldridge. He excels right there down in the painted area.
On the attack, Curry. Jordan, a good look. Oh, and he nails it from the high post.
And hitting from the mid-range here and early. I mean, really gives the defense just another thing to worry about.
Yeah, he's got to be a little bit more on their radar after knocking down something like that.
What vision from Rozier there, seeing his teammate was wide open and making the right pass.
There's a screen. Stolen by Rozier. Here's Ivy. Throw it down on the breakaway jam.
And that was just moving the ball quickly. And he's rewarded at the end with a high percentage look.
Yeah, the defense trying to do their best to slow him down. But when he gets room like that, you got to look out.
Checking in for the away team, Carlos Boozer.
Well, Grant, Ivy gets a lot of attention for his scoring, but he can also lock you down at the other end.
Oh, yes, he can, B.A. He's big, active, and athletic, too. A strong on-ball defender as well. He'll also jump passing lanes, causing deflections. He looks to flip turnovers into points.
Oh, he muscles it in through the contact. They call the foul, and he's on his way to the line.
And this is who he has become. Leonard, with the great body control, takes the hit and still able to sink the shot and one.
And Kawhi Leonard, one of 3 perimeter players to win back-to-back Defensive Player of the Year awards. It's him, Sidney Moncrief, and a young Dennis Rodman.
Antetokounmpo outside. That one a little long.
Not a bad shot from the mid-range. The D's giving it to him, and he's usually got an eye in that kind of range.
Here's Ivy. That's tipped. Clock at 6. Pass to Horry. No, stopping him there. Jams it in, and he's fouled. An opportunity in a three-point play. It's on Stephen Curry.
That's his first.
And for his career, Kawhi Leonard has more steals than fouls, Greg.
You know, B.A., he and Jimmy Butler, I believe, the only 2 players to achieve that after a decade in the league. A pretty remarkable achievement.
Barnes with it, and it's Leonard picking him up. And here's Ivy from the arc. Doesn't go for him. Now Chicago takes it the other way. Here's Leonard. Over to the wing. Here's Boozer. Second chance effort. It's wide right, hits off the rim. Here's Atlanta with the ball. They lead by 4. Pass to Ivy. Now here's Aldridge. Antetokounmpo covering. And that's a foul called on Stephen Curry.
That's his second.
That's foul number 2 for him. Both teams will make substitutions.
Substitution on the court.
About 3 minutes gone here in the first quarter.
2 minutes remaining in the third.
Pass to Embiid. And Embiid throws it down.
It's all about getting ideal positioning. Once Embiid gets it, the D is toast.
Boozer. The kick out. Curry. Here's Boozer. Oh, sweet move. And a chance to catch up on some numbers here. The scoring breakdown for Atlanta.
Well, great play down low. I mean, you expect the defense to adjust, collapse maybe, but that should open up things on the perimeter later in the game.
Love the passing that they displayed at the start of the game. Great ball movement that's opening up some chances without really getting deep into the execution.
You can't discount Embiid's value as a passer, that vision and court awareness. These are traits a team loves to have in a big man. And setting the tempo with an assertive move, like where was the defense on that play?
Yeah, APB sent out to try to find out where the defense is. Inexcusable.
Pass to Doncic. Out to the right wing. Here's Curry. And Curry throws it down.
And that's what happens when you don't take care of the ball.
Hey, that makes the turnover hurt even more.
And the gamble paying off.
Here's Marley. Inside. And the basket by Embiid.
I like watching Embiid attack on the inside, using his size and soft touch to capitalize.
Here's Morant. And Doncic hammers it home.
Assisted.
Did you guys see that? What an insane slam.
Man, you got to have some hang time to pull that off. And then Embiid with the dunk.
Nice one-handed jam. Simple and effective, B.A.
Hey, with the lead, I'm surprised he didn't come up with something a little more creative.
The defense kind of opened up for him, and he took full advantage.
Pass to Embiid. Out to the wing. Here's Ori. And it's good. Off the back rim and in. 5 points in the game.
Such a critical part of how their offense is going to flow. Things are only working when he seems to be on the floor.
A free-flowing first quarter. Great scoring through one. The Philadelphia 76ers leading by 5. And quarter number
14.
If you're just joining us, we've played through one quarter in this one. And from what we've seen here from the home team, what's your take so far?
You could really see the strategy coming in. Get the ball into the painted area.
Yeah, you don't see that all that often, getting down there and doing that much damage in a quarter. You got to respect the game plan.
Here's Harden. Rebounded by Green.
For him, it's harder to miss that shot than it is to make that shot. I think he was anticipating a bit of a bump there.
Outside Tucker. Pass to Embiid. 5 to shoot. And Embiid throws it down.
I'll tell you what, it's good to be his age.
Yeah, I don't have memories like that at my age, though. And out of bounds. Atlanta will have it.
Substitution on the court.
Now here's Smart. Takes it inside. Oh, there's a killer two-hand slam.
Attacking the rim with power.
Tremendous finish. Here's Antetokounmpo.
You think about the growth of Kawhi Leonard's game, where in the first few seasons had very few assists as a playmaker, and now it's a key part of his game.
Outside, Green. Back to Smart. Pass to Tucker. 6 on the shot clock. To the inside. And Aldridge with the slam.
How about that? LaMarcus still with that size can go up and power it through.
Harden. Got a hand on it. They recover it. And it's Antetokounmpo with the miss. Now Green to the paint. Here's Aldridge. And then Aldridge with the dunk.
And breaking.
Yes, sir.
Oh, my.
Throw that one up top.
Oh, what a play.
Well, the defense is paying so much attention to what Stephen's doing. It's going to lead to baskets for this offense like that one.
Pass to Aldridge. And that's a foul called on Stephen Curry. That's his 3rd foul of the game.
That's his 3rd personal foul. First team foul.
And a little under 2.5 minutes gone by here in the second quarter. Outside Tucker. 5 on the clock. Aldridge with the bucket. Aldridge has got 6 here in the quarter.
And Tucker, great job reading the floor and finding a way to set up a ready shooter.
Pass to Jordan. It's good. Off the assist from Harden.
for three.
Kind of like playing in the rec league, little to no defense on that possession, and the easiest three-pointer you can imagine.
And now about 3 minutes gone in the second quarter here. The three from Aldridge. They get the rebound. Outside for Green. Let's go with a three. The shot that time not on target. Now Chicago takes it the other way. Well, Brent, not many players love the grind of the game like Stephen Curry.
Well, when you get to a point, BA, where you're practicing and you only count the makes if it's a swish, and you count it as a miss when you hit the rim, attention to detail like that gives you all-time greats like Steph Curry.
Tucker with a screen. Down low. Here's Aldridge. It's blocked. Now Jordan. He has 7. Outside Harden. They set a pick. To the inside. Here's Leonard. Goes back up. And that's an intentional foul. So it's both teams making substitutions here.
First team foul. Substitution on the court.
Pass to Doncic. From outside the arc. 3 shots, 3 baskets. Great efficiency so far.
Defense was all over Doncic, so he smartly uses a pick to get free to shoot.
Aldridge outside. And we've got 28 seconds left to play in the second quarter. They get it back. Second shot opportunity. Oh, and again, unable to change momentum here. Here's Chamberlain. And a great assist by Morant as that one goes.
Assisted by.
And it's now just a 1-point Atlanta lead.
And Morant is a natural leader, someone who wants to get his guys involved when they're open.
Pass to Aldridge. 2 on the clock. And Aldridge with the slam.
Impressive one-hand slam right there, BA.
Man, as long as he's confident about it, I'm good with it. Maybe use 2 hands next time. He knows where he is. And as we get into this third quarter, as we've seen so far, neither team able to create much separation on the scoreboard. Up top, Curry. Looking for his first basket still in this one.
Home team foul. Robert Horry. That's his second personal foul. First team foul.
The visitors with the ball. They trail by 3. Here's Curry. Oh, he clanks that one off the back iron and it falls.
That's just like a free throw for Curry. Offensively, he just does everything so well.
To the middle. Here's Embiid. And Embiid throws it down.
Did you see that? Look at the elevation on that dunk, BA.
Man, he just cocked it back and fired it down with one hand. The 3 from Curry. Six to shoot. Here's Chamberlain with the crossover. And it's good. Assisting on the play was Curry.
I don't know what you do there on the pick and roll. You're so worried about Steph. He ends up moving the ball to get points.
Screen by Embiid. Rozier with it. Guarded by Antetokounmpo. Here's Embiid. Oh, and makes it with the kiss. Embiid's got 12.
A great move. I mean, the defense has no response.
Well, just ripping through right there as he finds the open spot and gets right through there. High basketball IQ play.
Here's the pick. To the paint. Here's Chamberlain. Nice assist and nice finish. Solid play all the way around.
When it's this close, every bucket matters. You need good looks. And after winning MVP honors in 2015, Steph Curry was even better in 2016, taking home another MVP award, going back-to-back.
Curry with it. Leonard with the ball. Picked up by Embiid. Screen by Antetokounmpo. Leonard gets the bucket. And that 2016 MVP year for Curry, Grant, one of the best regular seasons ever.
Oh, so true, B.A. Think about this. The Warriors winning an NBA record 73 games. Steph shattering the three-pointers made record, over 400 for the season. Also leading the league in steals. Steph in 15-16, something else, guys.
Outside for Rozier. And it's rejected. Right side Curry. Pass to Jordan. Leonard outside.
2 minutes remaining in the third. 2 minutes.
Back to Jordan. Antetokounmpo up top. Screen by Antetokounmpo. Inside. That one's good. This game is all even.
Antetokounmpo with a great read there in the screen and roll. He knew exactly when to back off the pick.
Rozier outside. Pass to Ivy. Here's Horry. 5 points in the game. 3 from Barnes. Chamberlain pulls it in. Leonard outside. Curry with it. For the lead. Back to Leonard. Pass to Chamberlain. On the wing, Curry. .55 seconds left in the third. Connects from downtown. Barnes has got his first bucket of the game, and he's on the board for 3. And now we'll get a perspective here on how the hustle game has been going for Atlanta.
Yeah, they've collected an impressive number of steals so far, using fast hands to force some turnovers and then scoring on the other end.
Well, something else I've seen from them in this game is just how quick they are to capitalize on a turnover. I mean, they're pouncing on that stuff, and you got to be careful when you're handling the ball around them.
Curry. The shot misses, so Atlanta will take it the other way. They've led by as many as 11. Here's Embiid. Tipped. And he drops in the layup off the glass.
Stephen Curry so creative as a finisher on the inside. Right hand, left hand. They'll score around the defense.
That's his first personal foul. First team
9 seconds left in the third quarter.
Substitution on the court.
Pass to Horry. Nice pass, nice catch, and a resounding dunk.
Well, Smith looking now to dish to the guys who are wide open.
From deep, here's Doncic. It's still anybody's game as we reach the end of 3. The Sixers, they lead by 3.
43. The visiting team. 40.
We've reached the fourth quarter in what has been a very competitive game. Should be an exciting finish. And here's Smith. He takes it in. Here's Olynyk. Nice dish, and the layup goes down.
Oh, what great action we've seen tonight. Hard to imagine a more entertaining game.
No, this is about as high octane a game as you're going to find.
Here's Morant. Another shot. Pass to Boozer. Shot clock at 6. Outside Morant. Shoots. And there's the shot clock violation. Couldn't get the shot off in time. Boy, you love how guys are making plays for one another here.
Yeah, just a balanced attack, a total team effort.
Smith into the lane. Left side Barnes. Back to Olynyk. Tatum with a steal. Down low. Oh, it's stolen by Tucker.
That's his first personal foul. First team foul.
Free throw good. Green.
A relatively rare trip to the free throw line for Green, averaging just 1 attempt per game over the course of his career.
60 ticks off the clock here in the fourth. Screen by Olynyk. Three-pointer. Sinks it from distance. Olynyk's got 5 points now in the quarter.
Olynyk showing some confidence now, and the big man is catching and firing.
First minute and a half of basketball played here in the fourth. Curry gets the bucket.
He's been accurate tonight. I think the best way for them to succeed is to get him more shots. Sounds simple, but it comes down to execution.
Smith outside. Just 5 to shoot. From deep. And they force the shot clock violation. Great D.
The ball goes to the away team. Substitution for the away team.
Chicago with the ball. 7-point differential. And that one's good. Morant.
In the paint, Morant stays nimble, and that allows him to make any needed adjustment to his shot.
Pass to Marley. The kick to Olynyk. Fires from deep. Antetokounmpo grabs the board. Doncic outside. Here's Boozer. Antetokounmpo, right side. And he takes that one up and powers it through.
Well, that Greek Freak nickname is apropos. I mean, he can handle it, he can pass it. The combination of size and athleticism, what a talent.
Plenty of daylight on that shot. Tucker's got his first 3 points of the game.
No way he's going to pass that shot up. The D is way too far back and relaxed in getting out on it.
2 minutes remaining in the game.
Up top, Tatum. Tatum draws the double. Here's Antetokounmpo. That falls. Nice feed that time from Tatum.
Giannis Antetokounmpo is a star in this league, and more the team trusts him in those moments.
Here's Smith.
That is what I'm talking about.
Wow. And that one is hammered home.
Such a dynamic dunker. As a small man, Dennis Smith Jr. gets way up there.
Timeout called here. Chicago decides to talk it over. They trail by 6. There's a minute 40 left in the fourth quarter here. So both teams changing it up here. Let's check in with our reporter, Allie LaForce.
Hi, guys. I had a chance to find out what Steve Clifford was discussing with his players. He likes the way they're pounding the ball inside. He said, keep working for high percentage looks. The more efficient that we can be down the stretch, the better chance we have of winning this game. Guys?
Allie, thank you.
Well, for everything he's going to give you as a great scorer, Curry is still a point guard and has some serious skills in setting up his teammates.
To the middle. Curry with a steal. In transition. And so he draws the foul, headed to the line to shoot a pair.
I love that Giannis is sticking to his method for free throws. Obviously, he's changed that a little bit, but his confidence remains high.
And he's able to hit the second one. And that narrows the lead down to just 3.
And by missing that free throw, now a 3 could even the score. Not ideal.
Smart left side. Pass to Horry. Count it!
B.A., when he gets the rim in his sights, it's tough to stop.
So aggressive and a determined finisher. Nice.
And there's the cherry on top. Excellent trip up the floor to build out this lead.
Jordan up top. Here's Curry. And it comes off the front of the rim.
That's a decent look for him. He just couldn't convert.
There's 31 seconds left in the final quarter. Back to Green. The shot won't fall. Some solid defense from Jordan.
And right here, they can't waste any time.
Well, it's probably a little bit too late here, but you really need to score a bucket here to stay alive. As a big, once you get position inside, it allows you to fight and come away with a lot of tough boards.
That's his first personal foul.
Oh, he doesn't hit the first. That was the one they really wanted. He's got one more, though.
LaMarcus Aldridge.
That's good. Going 1 of 2 from the line. And that makes it a 7-point lead. Timeout called here. Chicago decides to talk it over. They're behind by 7. There's 6 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Guys, what do you think?
Too little, too late. Making a change won't save them now.
Well, I'm going to use the cliche here. You can't take your timeouts with you, so they're going to use it.
Shot by Leonard, no good. And so they foul intentionally.
Kawhi Leonard. That's his first personal foul.
So the first one drops. And that stretches their lead to 8. And he hits both free throws here. And it's a 9-point game here.
Ooh, I think that's a wrap. And I can tell you, you can't have more pressure-packed free throws than the ones that are going to seal the game.
So the home crowd happy here as they get the victory. A competitive game. You have to feel like this crowd gave him a little extra edge.
Yeah, they really fed off the energy. You saw their activity level go up. Just a tremendous performance.
Thank you for joining us. That'll do it for now. For Allie LaForce, Grant Hill, and Brent Barry, this is Brian Anderson thanking you for watching tonight's game. We'll see you next time.